How to scan QR code on WeChat. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to scan a QR code using WeChat on your phone. So let's get started. First, you have to open WeChat application on your device. Alright, after you open WeChat with your account, you'll get this type of interface. From your at the bottom right corner, you'll have to tap on Me. Alright, after you come on your profile section, at the top right corner, you'll have to tap on a small QR code icon. Alright, so from the section, you can manually save your QR code also. Right, this QR code will be used to add you as friend on others on WeChat, so you can manually use your QR code to share your profile on WeChat. And to scan the QR code from WeChat, at the bottom left corner, you can manually tap on the option Scan to scan QR code. Alright, as you can see, after I tap on that scan, I will be able to scan QR code, barcode or mini program code. From that option, I will be able to add any friend or WeChat, something security method or payment method. From this way, you can manually scan a QR code on WeChat. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.